What's up, guys? It's Keaton, and as y'all can probably tell, I am in the BRZ. So just because I got the Acura does not mean that the BRZ is going anywhere. And in fact, today on the BRZ, we're going to be installing this, the STI engine start button out of the TS BRZ. I decided that since now I actually have something that I can daily drive, the BRZ is going to start getting a lot more mods, and I decided to start with the interior just because of how like boring and plasticky it is. So I've got a couple more parts coming, but I figured that since this piece got here today, I'd go ahead and show y'all how to install a start button on an FRS 86 or BRZ. Alright guys, so the first step is to pull this piece out. The way I did this was just sticking two fingers in here like this, doing that on each side and basically just yanking. And as you can see, these little tabs on top just pop out. So then what we need to do is unplug these so that we can get the rest of this piece out, so that we can pop specifically the old start button out. So I'm going to jump right in and do that. Alright guys, so I now have this piece separated, and this removal actually looks pretty easy because it appears as though those two things at the top and the bottom right there, you just push in and then it slides out the front right here. So I'm going to try that and see if it works. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, I have the old start stop button out, so I'm going to reach up, grab this one, and we want to make sure that this trim piece is facing the right way. And all we got to do is slide this in and pop it down just like that. And now plug those in and then just pop this piece back in. Alright guys, so as you can see, I mean, it's been like maybe 30 seconds. That's how easy it is to pop this piece back in. But let's see. You're not going to be able to see it because my flash is on. So I will turn the flash off in a minute so that you can see that this does actually illuminate the same way that the stock one does. But let's test it out and make sure that it still functions. Yep, started right up. So let me shut my flash off and then I'll show you what the light on this looks like. Alright guys, so here it is. As you can see, STI engine start stop. It lights up exactly the same way, minus this new STI bit on top of the engine start stop lights up as well. Alright guys, so I know this was a short one, but if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll have much more for this car and for Kalani's cars, and we actually should have a pretty big update on one of Kalani's cars that has not been seen on the channel for a while, pretty soon. Basically, as soon as I see Kalani again, we will have a video about a car that y'all have not seen for a very long time. So once again, thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more, like and subscribe, because we would definitely like to keep creating content.